Hi boys and girls, how are you today? This is Kasia. I'm gonna show you today how to make a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is the thing you look through and there is amazing magic happening in there. Are you excited? Let's do it. Here is what you're gonna need for your kaleidoscope. A tube. I'm gonna use the kitchen roll tube. Some decorative tape. It's also called washi tape, but if you don't have any, that's okay, because you can use markers and white paper. We're gonna also need scissors, glue, a pencil, some tape, cello tape or scotch tape, a bit of the clear packaging to cut 2 circles out of it, a small ruler and a silver card with the size like that. First, I'm gonna cut my tube shorter. I need about 5-inch tall tube, so I'm gonna mark with the ruler 5-inch from the bottom edge, and I'm gonna use the scissors to cut. So the 5-inch tube is gonna be the main part of our kaleidoscope, but we need a small rim to go inside in here. So we're gonna use the other part of the tube to cut 2 strips of 1/4 inch width, and we're gonna glue it inside. So that was one, and one more. There, we will let it dry. Next, take your silver card and cut it to the size like this, 4 6/8 inches by 6 inches. And we're gonna use the 6-inch edge to do some markings first. We're gonna do the markings on the silver side, and we're gonna mark from the very edge 1.5 inch and little mark, and again 1.5 inch from that mark, and one more 1.5 inch from that mark there. And we're gonna do the same thing at the bottom of the card, 1.5 inch from the very edge, and again 1.5 inch and 1.5 inch. So we have 3 marks on each side. Now we're gonna place our ruler to the marks, and we're gonna fold it, and then press it down hard and make sure that the edge is very crispy. And the next one. Once we have 3 folds, we can fold it like this. So this is gonna be the inner part of our kaleidoscope. And this part should fit inside our tube. Not the part with the rim, but the part without the rim. And we're gonna put it here. But before we put it inside, we need a little circle. So this is the clear packaging plastic, and we're gonna cut out the circle. So to cut out the circle, take a marker and place the tube on the top of the plastic and mark it. That's your size. Cut it out. And make sure that this circle fits inside the tube, because it's gonna go all the way down. I think I need to trim mine here at the edge a little. There, goes perfectly. Let's put the Kaleidoscope triangular tube down with the plastic, clear plastic circle on the top of it, and slide the tube with the rim up on the top. Make sure that the plastic is here, and it should stop by the rim. Now, if it's anything sticking out like this, we need to trim it. There, nice and flat. And the plastic, it's here. We can cover this end with another piece of the silver card. So again, what we need to do is mark the size. So follow the shape with the marker. There, and cut it out. We've got the circle that's gonna come on this end. But we won't be able to use our kaleidoscope if we don't have a little hole in the middle. So let's make a small hole about 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter in the diameter. It's basically the size of your pinky. And we can put this card down like this. So silver part goes down, and we're gonna tape it all the way around. There. Now, what are we going to do with this end? We're gonna make another plastic circle for the covering. So we're gonna use the same method. Copy the tube onto the plastic clear piece and cut out another circle. So this circle needs to be as big as the tube, so make sure that it doesn't drop inside. It stays on the outside rim. But before we put it down, we need to put something inside here. So this is one more important thing, what you need. Go around the house and gather some beads, maybe sparkly little sequins, or even a sea glass, and put it all inside. And then we can put the plastic circle on the top and make sure that it stays. So use the tape again. To secure it all the way around. There. Now it's time to decorate our kaleidoscope. You can use the washi tapes and just cover the whole tube with the washi tapes. Or you can draw your own design onto the piece of paper. Color it and then wrap the tube with the paper. There, my kaleidoscope is ready. You wanna have a look inside? Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today to making our amazing kaleidoscopes. Hope you had good time. And now take your kaleidoscope, go outside and look through that magic window and see all the colors of the world. See you next time. Bye!